Did you know that you can start making money online with just a few hours of learning? Today, I'm sharing 3 more beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience required. Stick around because these skills are easy to learn, low effort, and perfect for anyone looking to boost their income. Let's dive in. The first skill is transcription. If you can type quickly and accurately, you can make money by converting audio or video files into written text. Here's how you can make money with transcription. Freelance platforms offer your services on platforms like Rev, TranscribeMe, or Upwork. Specialize, focus on niche industries like medical, legal, or general transcription. Build long-term clients, work with businesses or content creators who need regular transcription services. The average transcriptionist earns between $15 to $50 per hour, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can begin. Here's how you can learn transcription, free resources. YouTube channels like Transcription Essentials or blogs like Transcription Certification Institute offer great tips. Paid courses, check out platforms like Udemy, Transcription for Beginners, or Skillshare, Transcription Mastery. Practice tools, use free tools like Express Scribe or OTranscribe to get started. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Rev, great for beginners to find transcription gigs. TranscribeMe, perfect for offering quick transcription services. Upwork, ideal for connecting with businesses looking for transcriptionists. Now, let's explore the second skill. The second skill is online research. If you're good at finding information online, you can make money by helping businesses or individuals with their research needs. Here's how you can make money with online research. Freelance platforms offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Wonder. Specialize, focus on niche industries like market research, academic research, or data analysis. Build long-term clients. Work with businesses or researchers who need regular research support. The average online researcher earns between $20 to $100 per hour, depending on their expertise. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn online research. Free resources. YouTube channels like Research Tips or blogs like ResearchGate offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, online research for beginners, or Skillshare, research mastery. Practice tools. Use free tools like Google Scholar or Zotero to organize your research. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance research gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering quick research services. Wonder, ideal for connecting with businesses looking for researchers. Next, let's dive into the third skill. The third skill is affiliate marketing. By promoting other people's products, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Here's how you can make money with affiliate marketing. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific niche like fitness, tech, or personal finance. Promote products. Share affiliate links on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Earn commissions. Get paid every time someone buys through your link. The average affiliate marketer earns between $100 to $10,000 per month, depending on their audience size and niche. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn affiliate marketing. Free resources. YouTube channels like Income School or blogs like Smart Passive Income offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, or Skillshare, Affiliate Marketing Mastery. Join affiliate programs, Amazon Associates, perfect for beginners. Share a sale, great for a wide range of products. ClickBank, ideal for digital products. Once you've set up your affiliate links, you can earn passive income with minimal ongoing effort. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations! You now know 3 more beginner-friendly skills that can help you make money online fast: transcription, online research, and affiliate marketing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to diversify your income streams, these skills are easy to learn and can help you build a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small, focus on one skill, and scale as you go. Be consistent. Show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Keep learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share how to create a winning freelance profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.